Welcome to my channel. Fix buffering and lag on your home Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Restart your router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. A simple restart can often fix temporary network issues and improve performance. Step 2. Move closer to the router. If you're far away from the router, the signal may be weak. Try moving closer and check if videos stream more smoothly. Step 3. Check for too many connected devices. When multiple devices are using the internet at the same time, your connection can slow down. Disconnect devices that are not currently in use. Step 4. Place the router in a better location. Keep your router in a central and open area of your home. Avoid placing it behind furniture, inside cabinets, or near thick walls. Step 5. Run a speed test. Use an online speed test to check your internet speed. If the speed is much lower than what you're paying for, contact your internet provider. Step 6. Update your router firmware. Router manufacturers release updates to improve performance and security. Log into your router settings and install any available firmware updates. Step 7. Switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. If your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, connect to the 5 GHz network. It usually provides faster speeds and less interference than 2.4 GHz. Step 8. Reduce wireless interference. Devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth gadgets can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Keep your router away from these devices whenever possible. Step 9. Clear cache and restart your device. Sometimes the issue is with the device, not the network. Clear your browser or app cache and restart your phone, tablet, or computer. Step 10. Upgrade your router if needed. If your router is several years old, it may struggle to handle modern internet demands. Upgrading to a newer router can significantly improve speed and reduce buffering. Thanks for watching.